Welcome back. Let's look at some application questions. According to an informal poll done among South African families, the amount of money spent on groceries for a family of 4 is 65,000 Rand per year. The average rate of inflation over the past 3 years has been 6.12%. If the average rate of inflation remains the same for the next 2 years, how much can a family of 4 expect to pay in 2 years' time? So let's calculate the first year. We are going to start with what it costs us now, 65,000 Rand, times 106.12%, and that is 68,978. So in 2 years' time, we're going to use the 68,978 multiplied by 106.12%, and then you'll see at the end of 2 years' time, they will pay 73,199 Rand and 45 cents for their groceries. A bed cost 12,888 Rand in May 2022. Calculate the new price of the bed at the end of July if the inflation rate in May was 4.2% per annum, June 4.8%, and July 5.6%. So first we're going to calculate May, then we're going to calculate June, and then July. We start off with the 12,888 times the inflation rate for May, and that is going to be 4.2% over 12. Why over 12? Because it's the average inflation rate per year, but now we're working in months. So that is 45 Rand and 11 cents. Going into June, we are going to start with a total of 12,933 Rand 11 cents times the new inflation rates of 4.8%, also divided by 12, and that gives us an inflation price of 51 Rand 73. So then in July, we're going to start with 12,984.73 times the July inflation rate, 5.6% over 12, and that is 60 Rand 60. So therefore, at the end of July, that bed will cost us 13,045 Rand and 33 cents. Let me just make that a proper 5. So meaning, if the bed cost 12,888 Rand in May, in July it's going to be 13,045 Rand 33. Now, this is an increase in tariffs for 2022 about rates and services, utilities from municipal accounts. So this would be a table sent out to the people living in the municipal area to tell them about the rates changes. Refuge removal was 140 Rand. It now went up to 157 Rand 50. Sanitation went up by 13%. Water consumption 10.5%. Electricity 14.3%. Property rates and taxes 15%. Then to use this budget, we will add it up and calculate the total, and then you'll see the difference between the price in 2022 and the price in 2023. So this is a budget according to the increase in rates. Now, determine the value of A, the percentage increase for refuge removal, and use the following formula. New minus old over old times 100. So then A, the value of increase, that is going to be 157,50 minus 140 over 140 times 100. And then let's continue here. The answer there is going to be 12.5%. So 157 Rand 50 minus 140 over 140 times 100 will give you a percentage increase of 12.5%. So then we will go back and put it in 12.5%. Mr. Ramait is concerned about the impact that the projected inflation rates and increase in municipal rates and fees will have on his disposable income. Calculate the additional amount per month for which he will have to budget for in his account. So it was 1,659.86 in 2022. It is going to be 1,887.33. So we simply need to go and deduct those two from one another. So it's going to be 1,887.33 minus 1,659.86. So then you will see that it is an additional 227 Rand 47 that he will need to budget for. Let's take a break. See you soon.